Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Pinataob ng San Miguel Bearmen ang Phoenix Fuel Masters 117-96. Top performer si Terence Romeo sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals. Nag-ambag naman ng 26 points, 16 rebounds, 4 assists si Boat Wright. Sergio Perez 20 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists, 5 steals. Jericho Cruz 15 points, 2 rebounds. Don Trolliano 12 points, 5 rebounds. Para naman sa Phoenix Fuel Masters, RG Hassel 14 points, 4 rebounds. Williams 37 points, 16 rebounds, 2 assists. Mangante 11 points, 2 assists. Mocon 10 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists. Tyler Teo 6 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Panalo naman ng Barangay Ginebra kontra sa TNT Trupang Giga 86-78. Top performer si Scottie Thompson sa kanyang 12 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. Nagtala naman ng 22 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists si Stan Hardinger. Tony Bishop 15 points, 12 rebounds, 6 assists. Maverick Anmise 11 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists. Japit Aguilar 11 points, 5 rebounds. Para naman sa TNT Trupang Giga, Calvin Oftana 27 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals. Ponferrada 14 points, 7 rebounds. Cobontin 13 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Kelly Williams 7 points, 8 rebounds. Kim Ayorin 6 points, 1 assist. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ni January 5, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Blackwater at Northport Batangper alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, magharap ang Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters at TNT Trupang Giga alas 8 ng gabi. January 6, 2024 nagaganapin sa Iloilo City. Magtutos ang Magnolia Hotshots at Meralco Bolts alas 6:15 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Magnolia Hotshots 9 wins, 1 loss. Phoenix Fuel Masters 7 wins, 2 losses. Meralco Bolts 6 wins, 2 losses. San Miguel Bearmen 6 wins, 3 losses. Barangay Ginebra 6 wins, 3 losses. Northport Batangper 5 wins, 4 losses. TNT Trupang Giga 4 wins, 5 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters 4 wins, 5 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 3 wins, 6 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 2 wins, 7 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 8 losses. Converts 5 or 6 years 1 win, 8 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.